This is Adam Crossley, and I am a TOK teacher. Today I'm going to walk you through an essay that scored a 10 out of 10, a perfect score. This is the 10 out of 10 essay that IB provides on their teacher support material website, and you can find it and download it at this link. You can also find an essay organizer. This outline plan was designed by me to help you plan and organize your own essay. You'll get a blank one and also a one filled in for this essay to help you see how it could be used to plan your own essay so that you can move your ideas up that rubric scale of grading and score more highly on your own essay. So the way I recommend you use this video is that you first read a paragraph, read the section we're talking about, and then watch my video where I break down the whole paragraph and then read it again. A lot of ideas in TOK are difficult to understand the first time you see them, but if you've read it and then you've heard my analysis and then you read it again, you can internalize what's going on. Okay, so you've just read this introduction, and what an introduction it is. Lots of ideas in there. Let's look at the planner. The first thing you would put in the planner is your prescribed title. The whole point in knowledge is to produce meaning and purpose in our personal lives. Assess the validity of this statement. So you want to hook people into your essay, and this essay does it through talking about why these ideas are interesting, relevant, and important. And the main points to hook the reader in are to say that intention is often overlooked and that the intention for why we are seeking knowledge in the modern world is often not for meaning and purpose. Instead, it's for wealth and comfortable living. So they're making a distinction right off the bat. Wealth and comfortable living is not meaning and purpose. But there are some questions that are fundamentally linked to meaning and purpose, such as how do we get here? What is our purpose? Where are we going? So those questions will answer the meaning and purpose part of this question. But if you're looking for money, you won't, or status. And that's what they are saying down here in their thesis idea, is the same idea. If you're looking for money, and then you're not looking for meaning and purpose, you're looking for money and power. But some AOK, such as religion, are not really seeking money often or power if they're trying to answer these three questions. So a really strong, lots of ideas. You can see why this is a 10. Now about the planner, whenever you see red ink, that means I'm making an addition. This essay did not mention its specific AOK in the introduction. I usually recommend students do that. So this essay focuses on religion and natural science, but also goes into other AOK later on. Also, this essay showed a very strong understanding of the prescribed title in its analysis and introduction. Often the prescribed title is difficult to understand, so before you write your introduction, make sure you interpret all the keywords in the prescribed title and check with your teacher and make sure your teacher agrees with your interpretation. Because if you interpret any part of the prescribed title incorrectly, you will score very poorly on your TOK essay. So as we look at a clean planner here, consider that the more detail you put in your planner, the more feedback your instructor can give you. Now reread this introduction and look at how it is sophisticated and insightful, and seek to use that as motivation when you plan and write your own introduction.